Michael Rowaring. You know, it's just when you become a diplomat, you've been itching to speak, no? I don't know why is that for diplomats like us, we always want to speak. But I think it's symbolic. I think that's why I actually initially said
for the GCC, for the Middle East, and also perhaps, you know, in a couple of years for the entire world. So you just have to dream big. So I wish you all the best. A lot of people here call you Arbab, and I think it's a great honor that
2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Let's give him a big round of applause. Okay, maybe we'll just give
Delegation from the Metro Manila Development Authority plus 4 or 5 Metro Manila mayors. They are here for the Asia Pacific Cities Conference. We have the President of the University of the Philippines who's here together with the delegation. And we owe that to you, the Filipino community. We owe that to our friends here who saw you to be partners, to be honest partners. And now, we have to tell that story, continue telling that story, sharing that to everyone, how our friendship has blossomed over 51 years of diplomatic relations. And you also have a friend who was a diplomat of the UAE. So he knows how important people-to-people relations are. And that will
Chairman of Bayanihan Council,
25.
Roderick Parera, and the Bayanihan Council members.
Nagawa na namin yung recording.
Kakauwi ko lang ng isang araw. Bago na kumiabot tong isang araw kay ako may nagkinakliya. Sabihan.
Sinong ganda? Yan ba sa kamu?